Hi guys, it's Nicole here with the 411 Mamas. I've been gone for several weeks now. I was actually supposed to upload a video last Saturday. However, Hurricane Sandy had hit here in the East Coast, and I'm specifically in New Jersey, so we were without power for about a week, and I'm glad that we were all okay and all of my family and friends were okay. So we were very fortunate enough to just only have lost power. So with that said, I'm just happy to be back and to kick off this week's theme. And we are doing Recipe Week, which is an idea given to us by Kendra here on the channel. She came up with the idea of all of us who wanted to volunteer personal recipes of ours. So I was randomly partnered up with Johanna, who is a guest mama here in the channel, and we had given each other just a bunch of recipes that we particularly love. The kind of dish that we wanted to do would be either a appetizer or a side dish. So I specifically chose her side dish, which is green beans with toasted almonds and bacon. So anything with bacon just sounds like you can't go wrong with that. So I jumped right on that because I also love green beans. With Thanksgiving coming up, we thought this was the perfect time to share our personal recipes, not only with each other but with you guys. So hopefully you guys will give this a try. And Johanna actually picked my recipe, or my husband's recipe really, for wonton chicken soup, or our Filipino twist on it. And yeah, it's just a really amazing dish, and I hope that you will try both of our recipes out, and I'll leave her link to her video down below. We will actually be posting 2 videos every day this week with the persons that, or the people that have been partnered up with each other. Stay tuned if you want to see Johanna's recipe for green beans with toasted almonds and bacon.
Let's get started. So you just need some green beans, slices of almonds, bacon, and olive oil, but I'm using extra virgin olive oil because we ran out. And I'm just heating up my medium-sized frying pan and adding in 5 slices of bacon, but you definitely can add more bacon to your liking. And once one side is fairly cooked there, or golden brown, you just want to flip it over and add in your 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, or more or less, just depending on what your preference is. And you just want to mix that up really well, just so that it's toasted evenly with the bacon there. I'm just slicing up my bacon pieces like so, and in a separate saucepan, just heating up some olive oil and adding in all of the toasted almonds. And you can just be careful to not add in all of the bacon fat if you just want it to be slightly a bit healthier. And of course, add in the bacon, which is the best part. And mix in your green beans and just cover it up and cook it for about 8 minutes or so, and that's what they look like when they're done, and they taste amazing. Especially the bacon and the almonds just add a great flavoring to the green beans, and I really hope you guys will try it out. Thanks for watching.